Matt.
Mm-hmm.
Sad.
Very good.
Alex.
Sam.
Sam.
Mm-hmm.
This is Alex.
Other cousin.
Now what's this one? What's this one?
I think you skipped a page. I think it goes to this one first.
Have a breakfast.
What does that say?
What is that say?
You know that word. Who's this?
That's sad.
Very good. Oh wait, we did that one already, didn't we? My bad. And that one's Sam. All right, there we go. Now right here, who's this?
Alex.
Sam.
Sam. Sad.
Good.
Sad.
Matt.
Sad.
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 Sam.
Sad.